In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to locate and register for Digimaps. So Digimaps is the mapping software that we're going to be using in the module. And the way that you find it is you go to the library front page and then click on A to Z of databases. Click on D. And if you scroll down, eventually you'll find Digimap Ordnance Survey Data Collection. So you can decide what cookies you want to use. And I'm already logged in because I've already updated here. But when you access Digimaps, maybe for the first time this year, if you're not already registered, then it will say so and it will take you through the registration process. If you start having a look at doing this now at the beginning of the module, you've still got a few weeks before your first IT session. And so any problems that you encounter, you can let me know or let your IT tutor know, and we can get that sorted out for you. If you're really struggling, you can also get help from the library if you're able to pop in there, or from IT support. Thank you.